Hey everybody, Bowling Fool here. So we've got the Ebonite, the One Ovation. This was the brand new ball that came out last month. This is one of the 14-pound balls that I got as a surprise ball from Bowling World. I'll put the technical numbers up here for you and the layout I did for the ball right up there to your right. This is a very cool ball. I was very happy when I got this ball, and it's got a cool color to it. It's got really good back end to it, which I was pretty surprised about. I've never owned any of the one line balls. I actually wanted to get the one reverb, but I never did. I was just waiting for it to drop down in price. It was still a little bit too pricey for me. So I was very stoked to get this one. And this is the hybrid version. And it's pretty cool. I do like the shape. So we're going to head on out to Paddock Bowl in Pacheco and see what we can do with this bad boy. All right, 14-pound, the One Ovation. Dealing with post-league lane conditions, staying at 25. Bam. Nice way to start the game off. Come back. Ah, damn it. I used to roll my spur ball on these far left spares, but I just do a regular ball and just slow hook it. Just like that. Man, pulled it. Ah, got lucky. Pulled it a little bit on that one. That's on me. Woo. There we go. Very good shaping ball. There we go. Oh, I almost got lucky. Oh, there we go. Pretty strong ball. All right, ninth frame. I'm gonna get behind the ball a little bit on this one. Ah, I didn't want to come back. There we go. All right, 10th frame. Come back. Oh. All right. A little bit slower. Get it. All right, see if I can get a strike here on my last one. Oh yeah, pulled it again. That'd be a 200. And clean game, not my best game. And there it is, the One Ovation. Very beautiful looking ball. All right, so we just got done rolling the Ebonite, the One Ovation. What do I think of this ball? I think I'm gonna like this ball. So like I said, this is one of 6 balls for my 14-pound arsenal. And I kind of like the 14 pounds, to be honest with you. I really can't tell the difference with the 14-pound balls and the 15-pound balls, to be honest with you. Do they have the same hitting power? I think so, you know. So let me know if you guys have this ball, if you like it, if you don't like it, what your high scores are with it. If you roll this all the time, if this is your only bowling ball, if this is one of 30 bowling balls that you have, let me know down in the comments. And if you like this video, make sure to give me a like, comment down below, and be sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, everybody.